friends, let's see today's very easy dessert. Now I'm just going to brush the cake tin with some butter. This is the spring foam baked tin. Now I've just cut a round circle and I'm just going to, measuring the base of the tin. I've just cut a round circle out of baking paper or parchment paper. I'm going to place it down on the base. Now I'm going to put the remaining paper on the rim. And this way I'm going to prepare the cake tin. Now there's no baking involved in this dessert at all. So I've just trimmed the edges and our tin is all ready. Now I've just taken about 20 Marie biscuits and I've just crushed them up roughly, or just broken them up roughly like this. And now I'm just going to crush them up into a very fine powder. Now you can use a mortar pestle, or you can also put it into a Ziploc bag and just beat it down with a rolling pin. But I find this really very easy. You want a very fine powder. Now I've taken about half a cup of melted butter and added it to this. And we're going to mix these two together so that it resembles wet sand. And this is going to be the base of our dessert. So there's no cooking involved in this dessert. There's no baking involved. Now I'm going to put this onto the base of my prepared cake tin. And I'm going to press it down tightly. Now you can also use a heavy bottomed, kind of a small jar or a vessel just to even it out. I'm just going to use a glass like this and just press it down. And then we're going to refrigerate this for about at least 30 to 45 minutes till it completely sets. So this is going to be the base. And now we're going to prepare the filling. So here I've taken about 250 ml of fresh cream. And I'm just using a hand whisk at first. And then I'm going to use my electric whisk. Now if you don't have an electric whisk, you can still continue with a hand whisk. And we're just going to beat this for 5 minutes. So we don't want it to be very firm or stiff. We just want to beat it for 5 minutes. So you can continue with a hand whisk too. So I'm going to empty this fresh cream, now which I've beaten fresh cream, into a big large mixing bowl. And to that I'm going to add 150 ml of condensed milk. Now I do have a recipe of preparing condensed milk at home. I'll leave a link to that below. So mix the two together. And now I'm going to add the juice of one big lemon. And we're going to mix all of this together. Now you can do this two ways. So one way is, you just retain this color and you fill it up into the tin and you add some sprinkles and then freeze it in your freezer. Or you can, what I've done in this video is I've just added a few drops of lemon color or yellow color. And I've just mixed it up to get this very light, pale lemon color. So you can add any color of your choice, or you can just leave it white and add sprinkles. And now we're just going to pour this onto the base. So get all the goodness in there. And it has to be nice and tangy. So, add enough of lemon juice. Just pat it down. And then we're just going to freeze it for about an hour or two till the top of it sets. And now when you have this kind of a cake tin, it's very easy to remove the dessert. And then I'm just going to put it onto a plate and just take off all the excess baking paper or parchment paper. Doesn't it look really pretty? So you can either keep it like this or like the other way. I just sprinkled some sprinkles on it. And it's all ready. And this is really delicious. Now you need to freeze it at all times. And only when you're going to serve it, you got to take it out and cut it up like I'll show you now. Just cut it up like this into, triangles. And then you can decorate it with whatever you want. You can put some lemon rind. So this is a big favorite at my place and it's so simple to prepare. So this is the other one we prepared with sprinkles. It looks like a little birthday cake. So if you don't want to go and bake a cake and you don't want to use eggs, you just can go with this easy recipe. So just cut it up, and it's really delicious and it's so tangy. So do give this recipe a try, guys. I'll catch you soon in my next video. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.